Hi, it's Mark here again at jobbersinc.com in Philadelphia, 215-236-8500 or jobbersinc.com. Here we have a beautiful pair of factory surplus reconditioned Waukesha F1197G cylinder heads. These are complete with all new valves, all new guides, all new seats, everything. Springs, keepers, rotators, everything. 123-402Cs. The only thing used was the casting, which was obviously reconditioned, resurfaced, magnafluxed, and pressure tested. 215-236-8500 or jobbersinc.com. Over 70 years. Waukesha engines and parts. We have other parts available for this engine in stock. Go to our website, jobbersinc.com. Give us a call at 215-236-8500 or come pay us a visit in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, USA. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support.